Hello and welcome to Quilt Addicts Anonymous. I'm Stephanie Sepping. Well, today I have something brand new to announce to you guys. We know that the world is changing a bit in terms of economics. And our Stashin with Stephanie Club has been something that you guys have really enjoyed for a long time, where members get bundles every month and then a pattern to go with it, access to the rest of our Stashin with Stephanie patterns, and exclusive discounts. But we know that budgets have gotten tighter, and we know that a lot of times when that happens, it's really tempting to just go with your stash. And so what we wanted to do was kind of meet you guys where you're at. Because the number one thing we hear, the number two things actually when people leave, is that they absolutely love it, but their stash has grown too large for them to handle and they need to just use what they have, or their budget has changed and they can no longer afford the about $40 with shipping for the bundle each month. So what we've done is we've created Stashin Lite. This is a new subscription club that you can join. It's $12 a month, and for that you are going to get 2 patterns per month for the first 12 months, any 2 you choose from our Stashin with Stephanie catalog, which there's, dozens to choose from. And then once you have been a member for 12 months, you get unlimited access to every single Stashin with Stephanie pattern of all time. So that's a really good deal for you guys to check out. But also, if you would like to just get access to everything right away, you can join on a yearly membership, save some money, and pay $99 for the entire year. So that's a $44 savings, $45 savings. And if that's what you want to do, then you're going to get access to every single pattern right away. And besides that, besides getting access to the patterns, you also are going to get the 20% off Stashin with Stephanie fabric. So if you used to be a member, but maybe you didn't love every single one that came in the month, or there are still some that you like, but you just don't want to get all of them every month, then if you see one that you really love and is really speaking to you, you're going to be able to get a quilt kit for that for 20% off while supplies last, as well as coordinating yardage if there's just something that you really like. So that's a really good deal. And you also are still going to get 30% off my Stashin with Stephanie Fat Quarter Workshop books and Fat Quarter Patchwork Quilts, which both feature Fat Quarter friendly patterns. So it's really still a great deal. You can still get a lot of great discounts, but you're able to use your stash. There's no shipping at all cost in that. So it's just going to be the $12 a month or $99 if you pay ahead and do the entire year at a time. And then you can still have access to the rest of the member benefits, but without having to worry about getting a little bit higher monthly cost. So like I said, we are all about helping you guys become better quilters and be able to meet you guys where you're at. And I know right now a lot of you are using your stash and you're controlling your budgets a little more, but you're still tempted by, the kit here and there. So we think that this is the perfect medium for you guys. You're able to still get the patterns, you can bust your stash with it, you can get through all those fat quarters you've accumulated over the years. And you can also get continual discounts when there is a kit that you do like that comes out for Stashin with Stephanie and you would like to grab that. You're not going to get first dibs on it, and we're not going to order extra, so it is going to become first come, first serve on that. But it's going to be a really fun way for you to stay involved and continue to support us as a business, which let me tell you, we need. Any small business right now is having a hard time, because when people tighten their wallets, it means their extra spending goes down. So we definitely need that to help keep our families going that are part of the Quilt Addicts Anonymous team. So we hope that this is a great way for you guys to support us and get something in return for that. Again, if you sign up for the monthly basis, it's going to be $12 a month. You can cancel at any time. You will get 2 patterns a month, any 2 that you choose. So you can get the brand new one plus another one from the past. And once you've been a member for 12 months, then you have access unlimited to all the Stashin with Stephanie patterns for free as part of your membership. Or if you choose to join with a yearly renewal option, you can save $45, pay $99 for the entire year, and have unlimited access right away. So those are your options. You still get the 20% off Stashin fabric, including kits, and you also get the 30% off the book. So check it out. We hope you really enjoy it, and go join Stashin Lite.
Good.